Welcome back everybody to CoinMarketCap Daily on Friday the 24th of September. My name is Trev, and as always, make sure to like this video and stay tuned until the end, as there are some stories you don't want to miss. Starting with the worrying news of a teen who is held at Knifepoint and forced to transfer Bitcoin. Then we'll talk about the price of Bitcoin falling as China declares all crypto transactions are illegal. And lastly, we'll be discussing some positive news in regards to Twitter officially adding the Bitcoin tipping feature we've all been waiting for. And be sure to stay after this for a bonus round of NFT stories. So let's dive into the story that recently emerged of a university student who was held at Knifepoint for 20 minutes and forced to transfer Bitcoin to a gang of 8 men. The ordeal took place on September 21st, 2020 to a student attending Kent Online in the UK. The victim's mother is now sharing his story to ensure that teenagers starting university this week remain vigilant. The victim was forced to hand over passwords to the gang. At the time, the Bitcoin handed over was worth $8,220, but at today's rates, it would have been worth $33,373. Although police did launch an investigation into the incident and performed analysis of Bitcoin wallets, none of the 8 men were charged. 3 men had initially been arrested on suspicion of robbery, but there wasn't enough evidence. We hope this serves as a reminder to always be vigilant to such crimes. Next, let's talk about the price of Bitcoin as China declares all crypto transactions are now illegal. In the space of 2 hours on Friday morning, Bitcoin fell from 45,000 to 42,000. That came after China's central bank declared that all crypto-related transactions are illegal and must be banned in the country. Beijing has vowed to step up efforts to monitor the markets. The move follows a similar crackdown on Bitcoin miners nationwide. Back in May, social backlisting was proposed as a punishment, meaning that those caught red-handed would be unable to access loans or even take public transport. A large chunk of the Bitcoin network fell offline as a result, meaning there was far less competition for miners in other countries. It's also likely that Beijing wants as little competition as possible, as it puts the finishing touches to its central bank digital currency, the digital yuan, which is due to be fully rolled out in the time of the Winter Olympics in February. There are already concerns that this particular central bank digital currency may be a far less private alternative to cash. Next, let's talk about some uplifting news as Twitter officially adds Bitcoin as a tipping feature with some other bonuses. Twitter has officially announced that cryptocurrencies are being added as a payment method for its tipping feature. The company says there are a plethora of potential use cases. It could mean supporting an up-and-coming comic, helping a small business that is going through a rough patch, or donating to charity. According to Twitter, tips will be rolled out to iOS users first, with Android to follow in the coming weeks. Another feature that hasn't been commanding as many column inches relates to how Twitter will enable non-fungible tokens to be verified, a crucial step to proving the authenticity of digital art. Next, let's go for a bonus round into the world of NFTs. Snoop Dogg has entered the metaverse. He announced a partnership with the Sandbox, and he invited his followers to join him into the virtual world. All this comes after Snoop Dogg revealed that he is behind the Twitter account that has spent millions of dollars on a collection of highly prized Ethereum NFTs. The NFT frenzy is slowly making its way into the movie industry as movie producers jump on the train. The producers of Lockdown, a pandemic-themed thriller, have announced that the movie will be released as a limited edition hybrid NFTs. Dubbed the first NFT feature film in Asia, the movie was released as a series of just 5 NFTs in October 2021. Meanwhile, NFT tickets will also be available for the film's Hong Kong and UK premieres. Burger King hops on the NFT bandwagon and launches Keep It Real meals. On Tuesday, the fast food giant announced that it had launched a NFT campaign in partnership with NFT marketplace Suite. As part of the initiative, QR codes have been tethered to nearly 6 million meal boxes. Scanning the QR codes will unlock a digital collectible, and according to Burger King, collecting them can lead to unlocking bonus NFTs. The prizes reportedly range from Whopper sandwiches for up to a year to 3D Burger King digital collectibles, autographed items, and even a once-in-a-lifetime call with the campaign celebrities. So Rare, an Ethereum-based fantasy football game, has secured $680 million in funding from investors. The French startup, which allows players to buy, sell, trade, and manage a virtual team through NFT trading cards, has been on an upward trend since the beginning of the year. Dapper Labs, the makers of NBA Top Shot, will be collaborating with the Spanish soccer league, La Liga, to launch a sports-based NFT marketplace. Similar to NBA Top Shot, the new marketplace will be hosted on Dapper's Flow blockchain. The project is expected to launch in summer 2022 and will include all teams under the top-level Spanish league, including FC Barcelona, Real Madrid, and several others. Last month, Fortune magazine, in tandem with popular NFT artist People Pleaser, released a collection of NFT magazine covers that could transform based on who bid on them. Over 429 ETH, valued at around 1.3 million, was raised from the unique experiment. Interestingly, half of the proceeds from the auction have been given to 4 organizations that support free press. Last week, OpenSea came under a lot of fire for an alleged insider trading by one of its executives, Nate Chastain. This eventually led to a resignation of the now former head of product. Chastain was accused of purchasing several NFTs before they were featured on the platform's main page. Although the drama is beginning to die down following the resignation of the employee, OpenSea CEO Devin Finzer believes that the action of the former head of product, even though wrong, was not insider trading. NBA's John Wall slammed for copying Fortnite art for an NFT. The basketball star's planned Baby Ballers NFT project has come under intense fire from Twitter users after some people noticed some discrepancies. On Tuesday, the Houston Rockets player announced his Ethereum-based NFT collection dubbed Baby Ballers. The project's first teaser image shows the illustration of a baby spinning a ball on its finger, with a 3D basketball court in the background. It appears the star was not original enough, as Wall has been accused of repurposing the screenshot from Epic Games' popular video game Fortnite. Additionally, the illustration of a strong resemblance to the cartoon character from the Boss Baby film series. And lastly, let's look at the top NFT collections by trading volume in the last 7 days. From the look of things, it appears Axie Infinity is not ready to lose the top spot. The NFT-based online video game ranks at the top in a number of areas, including its weekly trading volume and the number of sales. Axie Infinity recorded a trading volume of over 103 million from 420,000 sales. Coming at second place in terms of weekly volumes in sales is Art Blocks. Even though the trade volume dropped over the past week from 49 million to 41 million this week, Art Blocks recorded more sales in the past 7 days, with the number standing at 5,500. Meanwhile, CryptoPunks fell by one step to third place this week, recording a weekly volume of 23 million from 62 sales. Anyways guys, we thank you for watching. Be sure to come back tomorrow for our newest video by of course subscribing to stay up to date with CoinMarketCap. And if you'd like to be notified when we upload, make sure to gently tap the bell icon down below. This has been your host Trev, and if you have any questions, just ask Alex in the description below. Have a good weekend.